What's good, everybody? Welcome to JREKML. I got a special guest, my girlfriend Hedgen, in the building.
Hello.
Now, we both discovered No Nut at the same time, I would say. And it got our attention. I was like, ooh, okay, this Indonesian girls up in the building. Shout out to our friend Carol, who's also Indonesian. And Stephanie Poetry. Is that how you say your name?
Yes.
Yes. Correct me in the comments. But I know she helped write a few songs too. I don't know if she wrote this song, but they're out with Work.
Now, I am excited.
Yeah. I asked, I was like, I think you might like this. I heard a little bit of it. I haven't seen it yet. I also reacted to Sizzle, so be sure to check that out when it comes out.
Yes.
And without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin.
Oh.
Get into it.
Oh. Bang, bang.
Oh!
Work.
Back up, at your head's blown. Suntan by the sand, nothing much on. Island with a
Girl.
all the back, get it back, got
Oh.
a that. It's that top notch, non-stop, make
Hey.
Okay, no.
Flex, break a neck, cut a check on the vest, that's secure. Grab your waist trainers, hit the treadmill, do Pilates, high take a group high.
Oh, the backup dancers.
Just go time,
Ooh.
put in that.
Work.
Yes.
Girl, put in that work. Fuck it up, bitch, put in that work.
Okay.
Fuck it up, sis, put in that work.
Oh.
Put in that
Hey,
work.
hey, hey, yeah. Booty. Hey. Oh.
Hey. Oh.
It's okay.
She just dropped her phone. But hold on. She got shook. Ooh, I love that.
Ooh, the colors. Ooh, visuals. Wow.
Yo, dancers are killing it.
Hey. Oh. Hey.
Okay, no. Wait, hold up. You eating with this?
Ooh. Oh, the backup dancers, bitch. Ooh, they be bending they back.
They bending they back.
Hey. Yeah. Oh, the colors are so pretty.
I love it. The contrast.
Wow. Yes. Hey. Oh, wow. Oh, the choreo, the floor choreo. I love this too. The like glass with the
in the wind.
Ooh.
Oh. Okay, no. Put it out.
Oh. With your legs open like that. Oh. It's not done? What?
How you gonna tease that bitch?
What?
Nah, that sounded crazy.
What's about to happen? They're gonna do roller skating choreo?
That's kind of crazy. Oh wait, no, not eating. I mean, they've been eating, but
that was crazy. I don't know who the choreographer is, but they need a raise.
Wait, what was that one part?
They need a raise.
This camera choreography right here. How the
damn crazy.
I like how it's an anthem too. It's like
Love
perfect
that.
for a death drop too.
Yes. Oh my god. We need this in the Vogue.
All right. Oh, sorry for the pause to that dancer. My bad.
Oh.
That was fun.
It's okay. You can't really see.
That was fun.
Yes,
that
was great.
That was great.
I feel like any song that has the word work in it,
put in that work.
It's great. It's
for the girlies too.
It's for the girlies. It's
put in that work, sis. Put in that work, bitch.
Yeah.
You know that I'm the shit.
Oh. Shit.
You know I could make it fit.
Oh. Fit in them jeans.
And you already know I'm that. I don't know. I think of the clown. I don't want it.
Ooh,
well,
no, I don't like clowns.
Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you.
No. You put in that work for real.
They did.
The colors, the outfits, the dancers.
Okay, I don't know
the visuals,
who
choreographed and directed it.
Everything. The colors were beautiful.
Beautiful.
visuals.
Yup.
Dance was
Yup.
the backup dancers were going crazy too.
Crazy.
Bravo.
Good job.
Brava.
Alright, y'all. Well, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out the Patreon. And we'll see you guys till next time. Bye-bye.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.